Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the real deal on everything you need to know before making your next purchase. Today, we're talking about the Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Rewind, a vacuum that promises to simplify your cleaning routine while tackling some of the most common pain points that come with traditional vacuums. It's got LED headlights, a tangle-free brush roll, automatic cord rewind, and some handy pet tools, all packed into a sleek design. Let's take a closer look at how this vacuum stacks up in the real world and whether it's worth the investment. The Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Rewind is built with convenience in mind. First off, it boasts a tangle-free brush roll, a feature that's sure to resonate with anyone who's ever struggled to untangle long hair or pet fur from their vacuum's bristles. This brush roll is designed to prevent hair wrap, thus meaning you can say goodbye to the frustration of dealing with tangled messes. The brush roll itself works well across different floor types, so whether you're on carpets, rugs, or hard floors, it gets the job done without clogging up. Suction power is another crucial element to any vacuum, and this model doesn't disappoint. With strong suction, the Bissell CleanView Max tackles fine dust, debris, and larger particles alike. It delivers consistent suction throughout your cleaning, and the swivel steering helps you effortlessly navigate around furniture and other obstacles without feeling like you're wrestling with the vacuum. The swivel design adds a level of maneuverability that's often missing in bulkier models. One standout feature of this vacuum is the LED headlights. While it may seem like a small addition, these headlights actually make a noticeable difference when cleaning under furniture or in low-light areas. They illuminate hidden dust and debris, so you won't miss a spot even in dimly lit corners. The automatic cord rewind is another feature that simplifies life. The 25-foot cord retracts with the push of a button, so you don't have to manually wind it up after each use. This makes for a much more convenient storage experience, especially in smaller homes where space is limited. In terms of ergonomics, the Bissell CleanView Max feels comfortable to use. The handle is designed for a natural grip, and the vacuum itself isn't too heavy, making it easy to carry from room to room. When you need to clean higher areas or reach tight spaces, the quick-release extension wand lets you extend your reach, whether it's for cleaning baseboards, ceilings, or upholstery. When it comes to cleaning performance, the vacuum does well on a variety of surfaces. It's especially effective on carpets, lifting dirt and debris from deep within the fibers. For pet owners, the included pet tools, like the Turbo Brush tool, help with cleaning furniture and car interiors, making it a great choice for anyone with furry companions. The tangle-free brush roll is particularly beneficial here, as pet hair is no longer a challenge to clean up. Now, let's talk noise levels. The Bissell CleanView Max isn't the quietest vacuum on the market, but it's not overly loud either. While it's not exactly silent, the noise is pretty typical for a vacuum of its size and suction power. It's manageable, especially considering how well it performs. In terms of maintenance, the Bissell CleanView Max is fairly straightforward. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the filter is washable, which helps reduce long-term maintenance costs. The tangle-free brush roll also makes it easier to keep things running smoothly, with fewer maintenance headaches compared to traditional brush rolls that require constant hair removal. Where this vacuum really excels is its ability to handle pet hair. The tangle-free brush roll, along with the specialized pet tools, makes it an excellent choice for pet owners who often struggle with hair getting stuck in the brush roll. If you have a pet that sheds a lot, this vacuum will save you a lot of time and effort. That being said, no vacuum is perfect. While the Bissell CleanView Max offers great suction and a smooth user experience, it may not be the best fit for those who need a vacuum with a more extensive range of attachments. The pet tools are effective, but if you need specific accessories for more delicate cleaning tasks or harder to reach spaces, you might find yourself wanting more versatility in that department. Additionally, while the LED headlights are a nice touch, they do take some of the focus off the overall design, which might not be as sleek as some of the premium models out there. When it comes to value for money, the Bissell CleanView Max offers a lot for its price. You're getting solid suction, a tangle-free brush roll, LED headlights, and automatic cord rewind, features that are typically reserved for higher-end models. For most users, especially those with pets or homes with a mix of carpet and hard floors, this vacuum provides a great balance of performance and affordability. It's not the cheapest option out there, but it definitely delivers in terms of cleaning performance and ease of use. If you're shopping around for a vacuum in the same price range, there are a few alternatives worth considering. For instance, the Shark Navigator Lift-Away is another strong contender with excellent suction power and a lift-away feature for portable cleaning. However, it doesn't offer the same Tangle-Free brush roll, which is a significant advantage for pet owners. Another alternative is the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3, which offers powerful suction and a similar design but lacks the automatic cord rewind feature. In terms of build quality, the Bissell CleanView Max feels solid. It's not made from premium materials like some higher-end models, but the plastics and components feel durable enough for long-term use. As far as maintenance goes, the washable filter and easy-to-empty dustbin ensure that you won't be spending a lot of money on replacement parts. The brush roll's tangle-free design also means fewer blockages and less upkeep. Finally, let's talk about customer support. Bissell is known for being responsive to customer inquiries and standing behind its products with a warranty. Though I didn't have any direct interactions with their customer service team for this review, the brand generally receives positive feedback for how it handles issues and provides replacements when necessary. In conclusion, the Bissell CleanView Max Tangle-Free Rewind is an excellent vacuum for most households, especially those with pets. Its suction performance, ease of use, and thoughtful features like the Tangle-Free brush roll and LED headlights make it a standout choice in its price range. While it might not have all the bells and whistles of some high-end models, it more than holds its own in terms of cleaning efficiency and user-friendly design. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle everyday cleaning tasks with minimal hassle, this one is definitely worth considering. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Reviews Inside TV, and ring the bell so you never miss an honest review. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Let us know if you've tried the Bissell CleanView Max, or if you have any questions about this model. Thanks for watching, and goodbye till next time, where we'll have more insightful reviews coming your way.